Hi everyone. In the last video we discussed about AutoCAD user interface and introduction about AutoCAD. In this video we are going to discuss about how to create a block with attributes. Before I go into this video, I will explain about block. What is mean by block in industry side? Where will they use it? Block means it's kind of template which includes file name, drawing name, who created it, date. Example like this. Here it is AutoCAD file. It is a data which has been created by AutoCAD. So a template will have some data like date, file name, etc., etc. Now I will explain how to create a block with attributes. Okay, hereby I created a block which has been used as a template. Okay, here I copy this text and place it here and place it here. In my template, it's a sample template. It's a date and it's the project name. Okay, this is what I have been used in my template. It's a sample template. Then after, how to define attributes here. The attribute command will be in insert and define attributes. Click define attributes. Here a dialog box will open with tag prompt default. In tag I will command the name date which is going to be added in my template, and in prompt it will be created date. It's a default because the date will be always my created date, so I will click that and choose created date and choose what kind of date style will be there. Okay, then I will change the text height for 25 and I will place here. Then I need to define another attribute as project name, so I again click define attributes. Then here I will click project. Here I will type project name and my project name is template. Okay, now I click OK and place it here. Now I included what kind of data I need. It's a sample template. In your company templates you can add author name, who drawn it, which drawing file it is, where it is located, etc., etc. Now I am going to create this as a block. So you can change this rectangle as a block with attributes by create block command. Here a dialog box will open. First of all I need to have a name for this block. I will name it as a template block. Then here the AutoCAD I need to choose the pick point of this block, so I chooses the pick point and objects which is going to be included in this block. Then click enter. Okay, the objects are included and pick point also included. Now I will click OK. Then after, a dialog box will open for attributes. I need to define the attribute name. What is the project name? What is the date of created date? I will choose as a house and also my created date. Okay, the attributes of places it successfully. So you don't need to type it every time. You can, if you are going to insert this block again, just place it. The attributes dialog box will open. Just you can change the values only. So you don't need to change the drawing name, who created it, who will check it, because creator name and check the name will be always default. So you need to change only the project name and created date, etc., etc. So next class we will discuss about other commands in AutoCAD. We have also created some videos for SolidWorks associate examinations. The links are in the video below description.